Hi, I'm Eric with Impact Guns. Today we're going to be looking at our top selling concealed carry handguns for 2019. Number 5 on our list is the Ruger LCP2. This is a very small concealed carry handgun, very comfortable to carry. I usually warn customers it's not the funnest to shoot on the range because it's so small. You're going to have a lot more felt recoil. But Ruger has mitigated that a little bit with a wider back strap than the LCP. They added forward serrations on there and a trigger stop in the trigger guard there. The Ruger LCP2 has a lighter trigger pull than the LCP with not too bad of a reset. All things considered, it's a very good option for concealed carry. I like to call this the tuxedo gun, because if you're at a wedding or something and you don't have a lot of room to concealed carry, you're still going to be able to concealed carry this little handgun. The Ruger LCP2 comes in a box with a pocket holster, so you can cover your trigger guard and have that safely in a pocket. User manual. It's got an extra base plate if you don't want the finger or the pinky extension on there. And of course, the lock comes with all new handguns. That's that one. Our fourth gun on the list is the Glock 43X. This is a 9mm handgun. It comes with a 10-round magazine with an orange follower. It has forward serrations as well, a good grippy texture. It's got a trigger safety on there. And of course, the world famous Glock reliability that we've come to expect. The Glock 43X comes with a plastic hard case, the lock, user manual warranty information, a brush for cleaning, an extra magazine, and an easy loader for loading your rounds. Number 3 on our list is the Taurus G2C. This is a 9mm handgun. Comes with a 12-round magazine, also with an orange follower. It has a trigger safety, a thumb safety, takedown similar to a Glock. These grip sections are stippled, so you can get a secure grip on there. It has a round chambered indicator and adjustable rear sight. One of the attractive features about this gun is the price point. This one comes in lower than the other guns of its size and in its class. The Taurus G2C comes in a box with a lock and a user manual and an extra magazine. Fairly straightforward. Number 2 on our list is the Smith & Wesson Shield 9mm. This handgun comes with an 8-round magazine and a 7-round magazine that is flush fitting. We'll show you that in a moment. There's a trigger safety and a thumb safety. Kind of interesting, this thumb safety is very low profile. It's harder to put it on safe, but it's very easy to sweep the safety during a draw. The Smith & Wesson Shield Also comes in a box with a lock and a user manual. There's the flush fitting magazine. I find I prefer the extended magazine because that fits in my hand a little bit better. I can get my pinky on it as opposed to the 7-round magazine. My pinkies can't quite get it on there. Our top selling handgun for 2019 and number one on our list is the Sig P365. This handgun is smaller than most other guns in its class, has a higher magazine capacity than most other guns in its class, has a tritium and high visibility night sights on there. The trigger press is very good on these. Short and light, easy reset. The P365 comes in a lockable hard case. You can get locks in there. No promises, but it should be TSA approved. Comes with another 10-round magazine that is flush fitting. If you want a lower profile for concealed carry, or with the slight pinky extension on there. Sig also has a 12-round magazine that's sold separately that comes down further in the back and in the front. So a lot of folks find that more comfortable. All right, so these are our top 5 concealed carry handguns of 2019. That's based on our sales numbers, so what our customers have purchased from us so far this year. All right, so far as size, they're all a similar height. With the Sig and the Ruger being the smallest so far as slide to the bottom of the grip. So far as width, the Taurus is the widest, feels the widest in the hand, with the Glock and the Smith & Wesson and the Sig are about the same width, and the Ruger LCP2 being the smallest. So far as length, they're all very similar length, front to back, with the exception of the Ruger LCP2, which is going to be shorter. So if you're looking for the smallest, most comfortable concealed carry handguns, the LCP is the smallest of our top 5. It's very comfortable and convenient to carry. The Sig would be the next smallest, with the Smith & Wesson also a very slim frame, comfortable to carry all day. If you're worried about capacity, the Taurus has got the 12-round magazine in there. That's the best, or one of the strong features of this handgun. Even though it's a small size, it has a good capacity. 10 rounds in both the Glock with the single stack magazine. It's a little longer of a grip, comfortable to carry, but also comfortable in the hand. The Shield kind of has a longer, thinner grip. It's comfortable to carry, but also comfortable in the hand. If you are shopping with a budget, the Ruger and the Taurus come in at the most favorable price point. They're very good handguns for a very reasonable price. The Smith & Wesson It is just a little bit above those, includes some more features. And then the Glock and the Sig are a little bit more expensive, with excellent features, very careful craftsmanship in those. And then of course the night sights on the Sig bring that price up a little bit. All right, so those are our top 5 selling concealed carry handguns of 2019. If you've got a gun that you think should have been on this list, please let us know in the comments. As always, these guns are available here in the store or at impactguns.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.